Hello, trading is closed on April 28th, 2021. We always start with our disclaimer. Let's get that out of the way. Here it is. Just remember, I can be completely wrong, and all trades should be at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early high. There's the early high. Tomorrow also has the early high. We said that the FOMC days had moves I couldn't really predict. When you get swings up and down like this, which are typical of those days, I don't know any way to predict it. Let's see how MEJT did during the day. We got an ultimate buy signal here. We got the minimum. Said it was false, would retrace. Typically we get more than the minimum at some time, so we got that. Said this drop here was false, price would retrace. They did. We got an ultimate sell signal here. Prices dropped. Move was called false, and they retraced. So that's already played out. This is a pattern which typically closes either at the day's high, and it's negative if it does not, or there's a straight line drop. I don't see either one of those patterns. Don't forget the time runs out not at today's close, but at tomorrow's open. Futures are already way up here to new all-time highs. I'm just going to assume we get the normal pattern, which is a move to a new high when we open up when we open for trading tomorrow, either at the open or shortly thereafter. We've also closed about the same price 3 days in a row. That's called a 3 days tight pattern. Typically it leads to a large move. So all these things are calling for a large move up, but based on sentiment indicators, wave count, and some timing I have coming in late this week, I think a large move up should be the last move of this leg. Doesn't make me right, but that's what I'm looking for. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. We could gap down. Today's pattern should either close near the high or have a straight line drop. Time runs out not at today's close, but at tomorrow's open. Futures are up to new all-time highs, so it's likely the normal pattern will play out. In addition, the first move after FOMC announcement was up. Usually that means the market's next move is up. We've had a 3 days tight pattern, tends to be followed by a large move. I'm assuming such a large move up would be wave 5 of the current leg and complete a major top. We have the sentiment, we have the wave count, we have the timing for a major top here. But until some prior lows fall, there's always a chance that this plan's wrong. That's why I take things a day at a time. So the standard pattern is a move to new all-time highs with a large move coming. And looking not ahead just to tomorrow, but further into the future, I'm thinking this last move up should be it. And that's today's call.